In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery on your key fob on your 2014 to 2018 Mazda 3. It's a very easy process. Let's go ahead and get started. The only tool we need for this is a small flathead screwdriver like this. We need this to pry the remote open. Alright, so you can have this exact tool or something similar to this, but it has to be a very thin flathead. The exact size for this is 2.0. It's 50 mm long. Alright, so get the remote. First, let's get the physical key out. So press it down there, pull the key out. Now let's get the screwdriver there. And you see that small gap right there? Yeah. Shove the screwdriver in over there. Right there. And now let's just twist it. That's going to pry the remote open. Right? We'll have to do that a few spots to get it completely open. And there it is. Now it says it right there on it, CR2025. That's the replacement battery size, CR2025. Get that cap off, and when you do, most likely the battery will fly off, so be careful of that. That's what the cap does, it keeps the battery in place. It says it right there on it, CR2025. Clearly marks with a positive plus sign. That's the positive side, the other side is negative. And we need to put the battery in with the positive side facing up. It even says it over there as a small mark that says plus, right? So get the battery in just like that. And now let's get that cover on and push it down, and that locks the battery in place. Now we can get the other piece of the remote, align the two pieces together, press them together, and they are locked. Clip, clip, and we're done. All right. Now, let's not forget to put the physical key back in, locked, and now let's try it out. And that looks good. See how easy the whole process was?